we are going to start paper number 1, chapter number 7, coordinate geometry, class number 2. In previous class, we have studied the formula distance between 2 points, that is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is the formula of distance between 2 points. And the collinear concept also we have studied in that class. Once again, I will repeat what is the collinear point. Collinear means if any 3 points are lying on a single straight line. Any 3 points lying on a single straight line, the 3 points are called collinear points. That is the main concept of the collinear point. And exercise 7.1, exercise 7.1, problem number 3. Verify whether the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are collinear or not. To prove any 3 points are collinear, we have to prove that AB plus BC is equal to AC. If we prove AB plus BC is equal to AC, then we can prove that the given points are collinear. If the condition is satisfied, the given 3 points are collinear points. If the condition is not satisfied, the given 3 points are not collinear points. This is 2 marks question in public examination. This is 2 marks question in public examination. To solve this problem, we are using distance formula, distance between 2 points. First, we have to find distance between AB, and then we have to find the distance between BC, then we have to find distance between AC and check whether the condition AB plus BC is equal to AC condition is satisfying or not. If the condition is satisfied, the given 3 points are collinear points. If the condition is not satisfied, given 3 points are not collinear points. Now we are going to start solve the problem. Solution. First, we have to find distance between 2 points A and B. Distance between point A and B, AB, distance between AB is equal, formula under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The given points are A 1, 5, B 2, 3. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Now we have to satisfy these values, substitute the values in above formula under root x2 minus x1. x2 means 2 minus x1 means minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 means 3 minus y1 means 5 whole square, that is equal to under root 2 minus 1 1 whole square plus, if you remove 3 minus 5 is big number and 3 is a small number. First we have to remove 3 from 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. That symbol minus symbol for bigger number, that's why we are taking minus symbol. Minus 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus minus 2 whole square means minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to plus 4. Plus 4, that is equal to under root 5 units. Distance between AB we found, that is root 5 units. Now we have to find distance between B and C. Distance between B and C. Same formula. Here we are removing AB and we have write distance between BC. Now B 2 comma 3, C minus 2 comma minus 1, x1 y1 x2 y2. The formula is under root x2 minus x1. Here x2 is minus 2 minus x1 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus 1 y1 3 minus 3 whole square. Minus 2 minus 2, here the symbol is same, negative symbol, that's why minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus symbol is same, negative symbol, minus 1 minus 3, here also minus 4 under root minus 4 whole square means minus 4 into minus 4, that is plus 16 plus minus 4 whole square same, minus 4 into minus 4 plus 16. The value is under root 32. The value of BC. The value of BC is under root 32. Then we have to find the value of BC, the distance between BC. Okay? Right. Distance between AC. We have to find the distance between AC. A, value of A 1 comma 5. Then C minus 2 comma minus 1. Here is x1 y1 x2 y2. The distance between AC under root x2 minus x1. x2 means minus 2, x1 means minus of 1 whole square plus y2 minus 1 minus y1. y1 is 5 minus 5 whole square. Here the two numbers have same negative symbol, that's why minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3 whole square plus here same minus minus negative symbol, minus 1 minus 5 means minus 6 whole square, that is equal to minus 3 whole square means minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9, minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36, that is equal to under root 45. 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. AC value is under root 45 is equal to under root 45. But the condition is not satisfying. AB is root 5 and BC is root 32. Total is AC value is root 45. The condition is not satisfying. That's why we are saying that the given points 1 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3 and minus 2 comma minus 1 are not collinear. Okay? Not collinear. Not collinear. The condition is not satisfied. That's why we are saying the given points are not collinear points. Now the third problem is solved. This is 2 marks question in public examination. Now we are going to solve next problem. Problem number 4. We are going to solve problem number 4. Exercise 7.1. Okay, we are going to solve problem number 4. Okay, problem number 4. Here page number 172 in textbook, page number 172, question number 4. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, the 3 points are given. We have to prove that the vertices of, check whether the given points are vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. To prove it, first we have to draw the diagram. First we have to draw question number 4. We have to draw a triangle. We have to draw a triangle. This is triangle A, B, C. The given points are 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2. The question is, check whether the given points A comma B comma C are vertices of a isosceles triangle. To prove the 3 vertices are belongs to an isosceles triangle or not, we have to prove in isosceles triangles that any 2 sides are equal. The type of triangle is called as an isosceles triangle. So we have to prove AB comma BC comma CA. In these 3 distances, any 2 distances are equal, then we can prove that the given 3 points are forming a or belongs to a vertices of a isosceles triangles. To prove an isosceles triangle, we have to prove AB. First we have to find AB, BC and CA values. In these 3 values, any 2 values are equal. Now we are going to solve the problem. First we have to find distance between AB. Now we are going to find the distance between AB. Okay, distance between AB. Point A, 5 comma minus 2. Point B, 6 comma 4. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Okay, the formula is under root x2 minus x1. x2 means 6 minus x1 means 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 means 4 minus y1 means minus 2 whole square, that is equal to under root 6 minus 5 means 1 whole square plus 2 minus of minus 2 minus of minus plus 6 plus 2 means 4 plus 2 means 6 whole square, that is equal to under root 1 whole square 1, 6 whole square is equal to 36, that is equal to under root 37. The value of AB is equal to under root 37 units. Though the value of AB is under root 37. Now we are going to find the distance between B and C. Okay. BC. B value 6 comma 4 and C value 7 comma minus 2. X1 Y1 X2 Y2. BC is equal under root x2 minus x1. x2 means 7 minus x1 means 6 whole square plus y2 means minus 2, y1 means minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 6 means 1. 1 whole square. Plus minus 2 minus 4. Here is symbol is negative for both numbers. That's why we are adding these two numbers. 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 whole square is equal under root. 1 square means 1. Minus 6 whole square means minus 6 into minus 6 plus 36. That is equal under root 37. The value of BC is under root 37. Okay. Then the two sides AB is equal to BC. The two sides are equal. Then we have to find the third side CA. Okay. Now we have to find the third side. Distance between AC. A value 5 comma minus 2. C value 7 comma minus 2. Here is x1, y1. Here is x2, y2. AC is equal to under root x2 minus x1. x2 means 7 minus x1 means 5 whole square plus y2. y2 means minus 2 minus y2 means minus 2 minus y1 minus of minus 2 whole square, that is equal to AB is equal to BC. 7 minus 5 under root 7 minus 5 2 whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 plus 2 whole square. This is called cancel. 2 whole square is equal to under root 4. The distance between AC is root 4. Only two sides are equal. Third side is not equal. Third side is not equal. That's why we are saying in a triangle two sides are equal. That's why the given triangle is an isosceles triangle. 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2 are vertices of an isosceles triangle. Okay, two problems are completed. You have to solve. In next class we are going to solve some other problems.